Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with an FX4 Off-Road Package. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. Do also have a manual sliding rear window, two USBs here in the middle, as well as a 110-volt power outlet. And the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage compartments underneath. So that's always nice too. And this vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can, and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen, where you can look at your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology or adaptive cruise. And then you have your controls for your left screen here, where you can look at things such as your digital speedometer, tire pressures, average speed, distance to empty, RPMs with oil temperature, I believe, and off-road status. You can also look at your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy and fuel history, driver assistance features, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Then you do have your lane keeping system on the end of the steering stalk, or signal stalk, I mean. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you have some options there. And you have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, as well as having front and reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Do also have a premium B&O audio system in this vehicle. Then moving down from your screen, you have your hazards, your media and physical climate controls here, once again with dual front climate, but also heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. Then down below that, you have two 12 volts as well as two USBs down there, so you can plug something into power or charge. And then you have some other controls here, such as your what is it called again? It's your trail control mode, so you can set a speed to go over rougher terrain, your auto start stop shut off, your locking rear differential, trailer tow mode, your park assist sensor shut off, traction control shut off, and then you have your 4x4 selector here with your terrain modes, so you can go through normal, grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. You have your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.